Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some breaking news from the aviation industry that has raised concerns and led to significant disruptions. The Federal Aviation Administration has announced a halt to any production expansion of the Boeing 737 MAX following a safety incident involving an Alaska Airlines jet. Stay tuned as we delve into the details, the impact on airlines like United and Alaska, and the FAA's decision to increase oversight. The FAA's chief, Mike Whitaker, recently revealed that the agency is putting a stop to any production expansion of the Boeing 737 MAX. This decision comes in the wake of a door plug incident on an Alaska Airlines jet. Whitaker emphasized that Boeing must address the quality control issues before any production expansion is approved. This move signifies a deviation from business as usual for Boeing, raising questions about the company's manufacturing processes. As a consequence of the door plug incident, airlines operating the MAX 9, like United and Alaska, have faced disruptions. The FAA has allowed these carriers to initiate inspections of their existing MAX 9 fleet. United Airlines aims to return the MAX 9 to service by the upcoming Sunday, as communicated by their COO, Toby Enqvist. Alaska Airlines expects each inspection to take around 12 hours, with plans to resume flights by Friday. The Alaska incident has intensified scrutiny on Boeing's quality control processes. United and Alaska, in response to the grounding, have been compelled to cancel hundreds of daily flights, resulting in significant financial implications. United CEO Scott Kirby expressed frustration and disappointment with Boeing, even mentioning the reconsideration of the airline's fleet plan, excluding the troubled MAX 10 model. FAA Chief Mike Whitaker stressed the unacceptable nature of the quality assurance issues observed. To address these concerns, the FAA announced an enhanced oversight strategy. This includes a greater floor presence at Boeing facilities and an investigation into the planemaker's compliance with manufacturing requirements. Whitaker emphasized the agency's commitment to closely scrutinizing and monitoring production activities. In conclusion, the FAA's decision to halt Boeing 737 MAX production expansion has sent shockwaves through the aviation industry. The incident has not only impacted airlines' operations, but also triggered a reassessment of Boeing's manufacturing practices. As the aviation community awaits Boeing's fourth-quarter earnings report, the industry remains on high alert for further developments. Stay tuned for more updates by subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this information valuable. Safe travels!